Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Our lesson today is really interesting. Multiply by 11 and 12. Let's start with example number 1. There are 11 straws in a packet, like these ones. Helen bought 4 packets. How many straws does Helen have? To find that, we have to multiply 4 times 11. Let's take a look to this table. Let's see the first one. 1 times 11 equals 11. 2 times 11 equals 22. Observe the multiply and compare it with the factor. 3 times 11 equals 33. 4 times 11 equals 44. 5 times 11 equals 55. 6 times 11 equals 66. 7 times 11 equals 77. 8 times 11 equals 88. And 9 times 11 equals 99. Observe the pattern. What do you notice? Yes, the products of 11 and a single digit factor like 1, 2, 3 through 9 has 2 digits. These multiples have 2 digits. Each digit in the product is the same as the factor that is not 11. Here the factor is, the other factor is 1, so the multiple is 11. The factor is 2, so the multiple is, or the product is 22. The same for 6, the factor is 6, and the product is 66. It's just to write the factor twice. This is applicable only when we have a one-digit factor. It's not applicable if we have like 10 multiplied 11. No, it's not applicable. You know, it's here 110. So again, this is applicable only when the factor is one digit. So 4 multiplied by 11 is 44 simply. Another way to solve is to use models. You can draw 4 groups of 11 until 11. 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we can use repeated addition. So 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11 equals 44. So the model shows 40 times 11 equals 44. So Helen has 44 straws. Now please grade 3, be sure to fill these blanks. And if you finish, let's solve example number 2. There are 12 ants in 1 foot. How many ants are in 6 feet? To find that, we have to find 6 times 12 equals what? As you know, it's a large fact. And to find an unknown fact, we can decompose the large fact into 2 smaller facts. Such facts with a factor of 12, it's a good idea to decompose it into 6 times 10 array and 6 times 2 array. This is a very easy fact. You always memorize it, and the same for 2. 2 times something is very easy to get even if you don't memorize it. So we will find 6 times 10 equals 60 and 6 times 2 equals 12. Now we have to add the products. 60 plus 12 equals 72. So 6 times 12 equals 72. So there are 72 inches in 6 feet. It's so easy, right? And as you know, we can write the multiplication sentence horizontally like this or vertically like this. So 6 times 12 equals again 72. This is the unknown. So the idea, when we multiply by 12, we can decompose number 12 into 2 addends. They are 10 and 2. Of course, we can decompose it into 6 and 6, into 11 and 1, but the best idea is to decompose it into 10 and 2. Now let's solve the question number 1. Write an addition sentence and a multiplication sentence for the number of counters in 7 rows of 11 counters. In the first row we have 11, in the second 11, plus 11, plus 11, plus 11, plus 11, and plus 11. That's equal to 77. We added 11 7 times, so that's equal to 77. So 7 times 11 equals 77. So please, grade 3, be sure to write this answer on your book. And then when you finish, try to solve the next question by yourself. And then when you finish, you can check your answers here. The same for the next page. You can check your answers here. The next 2 pages is your homework, grade 3. So please try to solve them by yourself. And then when you finish, you can check them here. That's enough for today, grade 3. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.